Hi guys!
Hi!
I'm Marcela, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to do this gorgeous hairstyle. We really hope you like it. If so, please give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out any tutorial. Let's start. We're going to do a high ponytail with all the hair. And I'm going to use a bun maker. This is a medium size. Pass the hair through the middle. And we're going to hold it with bobby pins. Now we're going to cover the bun maker with the hair, and using a comb we're going to grab small sections of hair from the middle until we have a bunch of hair. If you watch our previous video, yes, we start this hairstyle very similar to that one, but the result will be very different and cute as well. Now I'm going to hold this section with an elastic band, or you can use a clip as well. I forgot to leave a strand of hair underneath the bun maker, so I'm going to pass it now. You can do it before put on the bun maker. Perfect. And now split it in half. And I'm going to pick up a small piece of hair from the top. Now we have 3 strands of hair, and we're going to do a French braid crossing the outside strands over the middle one. Cross over the middle, and we're going to add hair from the top. Cross over, and again add a small piece of hair from the top to the braid. Cross over the middle, cross this strand, and add hair to the braid from the top. One more time, cross this strand over the middle one, add hair from the top again, and we're going to keep doing the same steps over and over again until you add the remaining hair. Okay, I'm adding my last piece of hair. Now keep doing a regular braid and hold it with an elastic band at the end. In here, I'm going to pass the braid underneath the strand of hair where we started. Hide the end underneath the bun, and we're going to hold it with bobby pins. When we finish, we can let down this section of hair, comb it, and you will have a beautiful style. Okay guys, that's all for today. We hope to see you as well on Facebook and Instagram, and of course see you very soon. Bye!
Bye!